Hey there guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I will be unboxing and reviewing this tripod. This is a very cheap tripod which I have got for rupees around 300 from Chandni Market, Kolkata. The box and the packaging is quite nice considering its price. The tripod is packed in this bag. It is of really good quality. This is the mobile holder that you get with this tripod. You just have to pull this handle out and attach your phone here. It has a nice foam layer at the bottom and a nice rubber at the top. Now here comes the main tripod stand. The joints are made up of plastic, high quality plastic, and the body is made of aluminium. So this is a leveling meter, as you can see. The aluminium part is quite thick. The stand is 3-layer expandable. As you can see, it has 3 locks and pops open quite easily. Now let's set this up. Now you can also increase the length of this top part by loosening or tightening this knob. And finally, properly tighten this mobile holder and straighten this up. Check if all the knobs are tightened properly or not before attaching your phone to this. The length of the leg is quite long actually. This is almost similar to a full-size tripod.